Okay, in this video, we're going to cover the Burlington, New Jersey to Bristol, Pennsylvania tornado from the September 1st tornadoes from the remnants of Hurricane Ida. Okay, so all this information is from the National Weather Service office in Philadelphia and Mount Holly. Okay, so this tornado, they rated an EF1, peak winds of 90 miles per hour, path length of 2.8 miles, maximum width of 200 yards. Thankfully, no fatalities and no injuries. Start time of 6:59, 2 miles southwest of Burlington, in Burlington County, New Jersey. End time of 7:04 in Bristol, Bucks County, Pennsylvania. So let's see. It says after cycling from an earlier tornado near Mullica Hill, New Jersey, a supercell thunderstorm produced an additional tornado in Burlington Township, New Jersey, near the township line with Edgewater Park, New Jersey. Some evidence of RFD winds was prevalent southward through the Capitol Hill neighborhood of Edgewater Park, with one pine tree being uprooted and several small branches being brought down all the way south to Pennington Park in Delanco Township, New Jersey, but damage was too sparse to be noted as tornadic. As the tornado touched down, numerous hard and softwood trees were uprooted along Jennifer Lane and the neighborhood just off Beverly Road in Burlington Township. A large branch was also brought down on a vehicle at the intersection of Jennifer Lane and Squire Way. Nearby, a pine tree was brought down, breaking a window to a residence further west of Jennifer Lane, with a small sycamore tree also being snapped at the base a few houses down the road. As the tornado crossed Shive Place and Handler Drive, several trees were snapped and large branches brought down. Soffit damage was also observed to a couple of homes nearby. Perhaps the most impressive damage was observed along Beverly Road near the intersection with Handler Drive, where the resident noticed that nearly 30 trees were either uprooted or snapped. Observations seem to agree with that statement, with crews working to repair downed power lines as well. The tornado then proceeded towards the Delaware River as it took a slight turn towards the north, with only a steel and power plant lying beneath it. These two structurally sound facilities did not appear to sustain any visible damage, despite a rather impressive viral tweet with a video of the tornado passing across the Burlington-Bristol Bridge. Driving across the bridge for this very survey, no damage was noted given the structural integrity of the feature. Several softwood trees were snapped near Maple Beach Road. The end point appears to be near Mill Street, where part of the roof covering was peeled off of a commercial building. So that is the end of that report. If you go to my Facebook page, I think somewhere I've got there's some videos being shared around. I think I have one that has been shared. I'll share it there. So let's look at the image here. It's the Burlington to Bristol tornado. Time of 6:59 to 7:04. EF1 rating, peak winds of 90 miles per hour, path length 2.8 miles for a max width of 200 yards. No injuries, no deaths. So you can see here, EF0, EF1. This appears to be a residential neighborhood. And this just goes over to an industrial area. So where it crosses the bridge. And then not sure what this area is here. And then this here, obviously the Delaware River. Okay, so that is that one. I believe there's one more left to check on. So Follow that. Hopefully you've seen the other videos. If not, take a look for those as well.